Need to add your address to Booking.com? Whether you're managing reservations or setting up your profile, it's a simple process. Start by opening the Booking.com app on your phone. Once inside, tap on My Account in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your account settings. Next, scroll down and look for Personal Details. This is where your profile information is stored. Tap on it, then find the Address section. If you haven't added an address yet, you'll see an option to enter one. Tap on it to open the address form. Now fill in your country, street address, zip code, and city. Double-check the details to make sure everything is correct. Once done, tap Save to update your profile. Your address will now be linked to your Booking.com account, making future reservations even easier. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe for more travel tech tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Happy booking!